Good afternoon, folks. I'm Trooper Casey with the North Carolina State Highway Patrol here in Troop F, which is Catawba County. Today we're going to talk about what to do when you get stopped by a law enforcement officer. You find yourself riding down the road, and next thing you know, you look in the rearview mirror or you hear that god-awful siren and you realize I am getting stopped. The most important thing to do first is not to panic. And I understand it's easy for me to say because I'm not the one getting stopped, you're the one getting stopped. But the most important thing to do is not to panic. And what I mean by not panicking, please don't suddenly slam your brakes on, stop in the middle of the roadway, or go off the road at 45, 55, 65 miles per hour. When you realize you're getting stopped, what you need to do is prepare yourself to stop. And when I say that, I mean find a safe spot to pull over. A safe spot to pull over is to the right side of the road. Please do not go to the left side of the road. So just decrease your speed and look for a safe spot to pull over on the right side of the road. If that place might be an exit ramp that you can see up the road, might be a convenience store parking lot right up the road, or might be the shoulder of the road, but please find a safe spot to pull over. If you need to drive up the road because you know, hey, up the road is a nice convenience store, or I can exit off, that's no problem. But just either A, slow down, B, turn your four-way flashers on, letting us know that you've acknowledged that you're getting stopped and you're looking for a safe spot to pull over. So once you find that safe spot to pull over, just go ahead and pull over your vehicle, put your car in park, and importantly, stay in your vehicle. Please do not get out of your vehicle for any reason at all. The officer is going to approach your vehicle. He might approach on the left side or the right side. He is going to come up to your vehicle, explain to you why he has stopped you, and explain to you what he needs from you as far as your license and registration and insurance. The most important part is while the officer is talking to you, just keep your hands on the steering wheel. In fact, as the officer approaches your vehicle, go ahead and put your hands on top of the steering wheel and just hold the steering wheel. If you're a passenger in the vehicle, just put your hands in your lap. Hands are what can hold stuff, as far as a gun or a knife, stuff to hurt us. So if we can see your hands, that puts us at ease. So as the officer's talking to you, explaining to you what he needs, just do what he says. Don't make any sudden movements. Don't reach for anything unless he asks you to. If your license is in your back of your pocket, just tell the officer, my license is in my back pocket, going to reach for it. If it's in your purse behind the seat, go tell the officer what you're going to do. Just do not make any sudden moves. The officer will retrieve this information from you, and then he will go back to his car. When he's back at his car, he's running your information, and he might be writing you a ticket, a warning ticket, or just running your information and give you a verbal warning and send you on your way. But once again, do not get out of your vehicle unless you are asked to by the officer. The officer is going to reapproach your vehicle and explain to you what he's done. At this time, if you got a ticket, he'll explain the ticket to you, or if it's just a written warning or a verbal warning, he'll explain that to you. Once the officer gives you information, if you have any questions, that's the time for questions. But as far as the court date, he'll explain to you your court date, and you can go to your court date and already get the ticket. Most importantly though, when you get stopped by us and after you receive a ticket, if unfortunately you do, please just comply. I understand sometimes you might not agree with why you got stopped, you might not agree with what you did, and you might not have done what the officer said you did, but please comply. You will have a court date, you can go to the court date, talk to the judge, you can hire a lawyer, you can go home, talk to your family about it, but please, on the side of the road while the officer's talking to you, please just comply.